Mike Hughes here. I'm in Bonaire, and I'm here with Divi Flamingo. And Parker, you want to tell us a little bit about Divi?
Hey, I'm Parker Davis. I'm the sales manager for Divi, and we've got some really great things going on at Divi Flamingo in Bonaire. Some key reasons to come stay and dive with us. We've got a great house reef for shore diving, calibas. We've got an amazing dive pier. You can see a picture right here. So what we do is we've got lockers down the middle, rent stations at the end. You can use the steps for easy entry. You can jump off the end of the pier, and then of course it's where one of our 5 custom dive boats will pick you up for a lot of our boat dives. We keep our tanks at the end of the pier for 24/7 diving, so we've got people out there diving at 1 in the morning. Just grab your tank and go. Our resort is the closest resort to town. It's literally a 5-minute walk right into town.
Just walk, not even taxi.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But speaking of cars, we actually do have Hertz rental car on property. So if you want to rent a truck, go out and explore on your own, you can do that. We have everything from shore dive packages, truck packages, as well as our boat dive packages. All the dive packages include breakfast daily, transfers to and from the airport. And we have several meal options. So you can add lunch plan, a dinner plan, and then we actually have a true all-inclusive now that includes unlimited meals, drinks, and alcohol. We have 2 full restaurants as well as a beach bar. We have 2.
There goes the 1 a.m. dive.
Yeah, exactly right. Kind of pick what you want to do. We have 2 freshwater pools. We have a casino and a full-service day spa on all our property.
And that's all?
Yeah, I know. So we're a full resort, 129 rooms. We do have 40 studio suites that have the fully equipped kitchen, so if you want that, if you want to kind of make your own meals, that's a way to go.
It's a long list.
Yeah, a lot of good stuff.
Cool. And if they want more information, they go what.com would we go to?
Our very best website is, show you on here. If you go to diviresorts.com/dive, it's a dive website I had created, so it has our video, photos, even has flight information, a map of the resort, a map of the island, anything you want. All types of our dive courses.
You got it all covered.
Try to make it easy.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.